We're continuing to dig into why a family that legally immigrated to the United States is being denied the next steps to gaining citizenship. We first told you about the Cardona family on Monday. They moved from Colombia to Queensbury in 2023. CBS 6's Emma Quinn spoke to their immigration attorney, and we'll hear tonight, too, from the Department of Homeland Security about why their visa was rejected.
The Cardona family, Eddie, Pilar, Valeria, and Hannah, are trying to live the American dream with their business, American Leak Detection. They were given the company's Rookie of the Year award.
We were the business that grew the most in the shortest amount of time.
But they may be forced back to South America after their entrepreneur visa was denied. Seth Leach is the head of the immigration team at Whiteman, Osterman & Hannah law firm. He's working on the Cardona's case.
From my experience doing this, it was a pretty strong case to begin with. It was something where they had a lot of evidence. Everything was well documented. But the U.S. government, USCIS, didn't think so, denied their case.
When the family was denied their E-2 visa, they were placed in removal proceedings in immigration court.
Tried to fix some of the papers that we sent before and just get better at it so they could, accept it the second time.
Y cuando vamos a mostrar, nos llega una...
And so when we send that second, opportunity to get the E-2 visa, they send a letter saying that we don't have any status.
I reached out to the Department of Homeland Security. They say their January 2025 E-2 visa was denied due to failure to prove investment income was from lawful sources. The issue was over a small portion of money.
One officer made the decision to deny them despite strong evidence. Now they get stuck into a process that gives them very few options.
DHS says since their visitor visas were expired at the time of the denial, the family was placed in removal proceedings.
Even if they chose to leave the United States and pursue this at the U.S. Embassy or consulate in Colombia, it is very unlikely that they would get the visa, even though they have a strong case, because they were in immigration court. So this action of putting them into immigration court just provides this, it prejudices whatever they plan to do in the future.